Hello, hello.
Oh, Jimmy.
Let's wait a few minutes.
Hi, Jimmy. We all set to attend?
Yeah, he told me he need a few minutes, and I also asked Xiuren to join the meeting. Let me remind him.
Okay, I think you can start first.
Um, okay, I just have 1 minute. One topic I want to discuss with the community is this one, the HAMi proposal for the Linux Foundation mentorship. I also created draft for the mentorship on this Google Doc, and I came up with 3 proposals. One for the workshop and the documentation, and one to fix the GPU memory isolation and child and the SSA processes. I think this was added by Mengshuan, and the next one by Mengshuan as well. Both of them has related issues, and there are also some future proposal ideas listed them below. And this is the last week until the project proposal timeline. Deadline is July 28th. So we need to decide which proposals we can submit to the Linux Foundation, and we can create GitHub issues for each proposal. By the way, also need to assign the mentors for each proposal. At least 2 mentors, one for technical and another one from the community.
Yeah, I think I can take the HAMi core related proposals.
So this second and the third.
Yes.
Okay.
Jimmy,
Am I
are
right?
you done?
Do you want to take some proposal?
No, yes, but I wasn't sure if you're still talking about this. I just have a very small thing to say. You go for I didn't know, so continue. Go ahead, sorry.
I just need to confirm who can take the proposals. At least 5 guys here. So you had told me you can be the mentor for this program.
For a workshop, I'd be happy to help. Of course, we need to get some resources for just hardware to run on. Hopefully,
Okay.
maybe we can do that with Vultr or some. Or yeah, go ahead. No, never mind. I have another thing that may be coming up actually. But I'm happy to help there.
I can also put myself here, and the next 2, the second and third.
Yeah, I can take the second and the third. Can we submit more than 3 proposals?
Yes, I think we can submit as many as we can. But you need to align it with our existing issues. If we don't have related issues, you need to create one issue and assign the scope and the outcome from this proposal.
Okay.
Yeah, you can add more detail for the future proposal ideas, but at least we need to at least 3 proposals. I think so. Okay, that's my topics. All from my side.
We merged last week the pull requests for maintainers to have support for project and service desk. So right now, all the emails go to Jimmy and Motion, but I'm having a problem. Sorry, not Jimmy, Motion and the other maintainers. And so, like when they're busy, like we don't actually see. Or, for example, usually the applications for projects go to Jimmy, and like some of the demo and the like project boost is done by me, and then basically we have to wait for like other people that are busy to actually like forward information, which makes coordination a bit problematic. So we added the project like program management and something like that to the HAMi maintainer document, so that we could handle the service desk tickets and receive the emails. But I'm having a problem, and maybe someone can help me with actually adding us to the service desk. So the way this should be happening is that I open a service desk ticket, and then we get added, Jimmy and I, so that we can receive the emails and we can like submit issues. For example, for there's going to be a lot of admin for the graduation to be done, but I'm having a problem submitting. So if someone can take a look at it, or maybe point me to like maybe submit an issue at the service desks for that would help. We can talk about it offline, but I just needed to mention this. I think that's the main thing from me right now.
Teresa, could I ask what is service desk? Can you add a link here?
Yes, I will do that.
I think we should let Reza share his screen. Yeah, and we can see how we can help.
Okay, let's do mine.
Not really possible right now. Let me just add the link. You will see it's actually one GitHub repo and then one. 1 second.
Do you need to share your screen, Reza?
I can't share it right now. I'm not connected to my laptop.
Okay.
I added it to the. I mean, I have my laptop here, but I added it to the document. So if Jimmy wants to open it, but it's right there. It's basically a service desk that the Linux Foundation has for CNCF projects, and then project administration goes through that.
Yeah. So what do you have me to do? I need to submit a ticket to do what? To change the.
To add Jimmy and us as people that can receive project-related emails and submit project-related tickets to the CNCF.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Masood had a few things. I guess he said he's going to be late a bit, but he hasn't joined.
Yeah,
We have.
yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, hey.
Hi, everyone. And yeah, there are a couple of points, as you see in Google Doc. And we have discussed last week PRs and issues. We have Neve rules, and we have closed the old PRs and issues. And I share my screen. It will be better to see for everyone. And as you see in our main repo, we have 15 PRs and then more than 20 issues. And then it is actually up to date. We commented and then we reviewed. Looks good. And there is no problem now. It will be helpful for our insight parameters in insights and LFX insights. And yeah, thanks again. The number 2 insights PRs. Yeah, we had a couple of PRs and were merged for the security issues for the website, but these are almost done and it will be better. It is not now up to date, but it takes some time. I hope in 2 weeks, maybe 1 week, it will be 100%, some quality, legal, governance, etc., because we have done lots of things. You can check the PRs, the closed PRs, and these are ready. Number 3, yeah, there was a question or discussion in Chinese meeting, Quader Rabbit. What is our last decision, Jimmy?
Yes, we will keep using CodeRabbit, and the Gemini Code Assist will be out of date, and we don't need to take care of it.
Okay, cool. Good to know. But it's not free version anymore, right? You will pay something.
It's still a free version. It's free for open source, I guess.
Oh, okay. It's not paid. Okay, got it. Other point is this link here. I think maybe we can organize again, or we can do something for the HAMi external groups in Google. These are actually not up to date. It is here on the page. I don't know what can we do, but it is not actually fresh. Yeah, that's the question now. I mean, I see just for posts, and yeah, if someone click here, I mean, you see such things, and maybe we can do something for it. You see here the topic here, but that's the open question now. What do you think?
Yeah, so we can contact Zhang Xiao to update this Google Groups, or we can create a new one.
So what is this about?
It is about Google Groups. You will find the links here, join Google Group mailing list. And if you click on the redirecting Google Groups, and then you will go there, and then there are just 4 posts, but the members are up to date, as I see. Yeah, it is up to date.
Why do we have a Google group?
I don't know, it is here. I mean, here.
So we just
on
remove
our
it, or do we have to have it?
Yeah, that's the
I think
question.
we
Yeah.
can have it. I think we can have it. I think
No,
you
no, but
or Jimmy can meet.
my question is that like nobody uses this, right?
Yeah, I agree. Since no one uses it, we can remove it.
Like maybe then better to just have a link to the Discord or something, or the Discord discussion or the GitHub discussion or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, 3 different options, no idea. just I don't know. Yeah.
So we have that GitHub we have that discussion section in Discord, which is not really used. So I think we have to just make a decision whether we want people to have that discussion on Discord or on GitHub, or if we can sync the two, of course, that would also be possible. But otherwise, I guess the most accessible would be GitHub discussions. If we decide, for example, in the HAMi repo, like main HAMi or HAMi core or whatever, for discussions, and then link that. I think HAMi core probably not. It's like project related, so HAMi, and then just have that link. And then if we can like see if we can sync it to the Discord, but that's what I would do.
Okay. I can skip the next point. We have new rules. Everyone can see that, and there are some problems with the taking a roles or taking a issue from the from here. It was roadmap, and then the rule is you should talk firstly with maintainer, core maintainer, and then take the issue. Otherwise, 2 guys or 3 guys take the issue and then try to do that. But we wanted to prevent this problem. Therefore, everyone should talk with core maintainer, and then after approving, and then they can work on the issue. It was merged, and it is our new rule. Yeah. And there was a problem last week, and it was solved. The problem was an issue in Kai scheduler. There was a problem here, as you see, cannot find parameter scheduler, etc. in YAML file. And then we have solved it and then completed, and it is now up to date. But if you have time, maybe you can merge this one as well, because it is same thing. I changed the 2 lines, and yeah, that's the issue now, and still open. Yeah, it was merged. and just this one. This is issue.
Okay, I will test it on my GPU cluster. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And there are two questions for you as a maintainer, core maintainer. And someone asked here, Elena, etc. And she or he wants to take these things and still open. If you have time, maybe you want to apply it. I don't know. And
Yeah, I can follow the thread. I will contact him. Yeah.
Thank you. And the second question was another guy, and Kaminari. I answered yesterday, but if it is okay, maybe he or she can go there and then open a PR, but I wasn't sure actually, because the boundaries are not clear and it is still open, and she wants or look for answer from yeah, the two questions or two requests for the PR's issues. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thanks again for everything.
Yeah, do we have any other agendas to discuss?
So anything else? Anyone else? If not, then I would say have it until here.
Okay.
Thanks,
So,
everyone.
Thanks.
Thanks, have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.